Folks, I finally got it. The X91 90 style Xbox One wired controller. It's here. It's finally here. Oh, thank you, God. Thank you. The moment we've all been waiting for has arrived. This is why I hate tape. Sorry about this, folks. And there it is. The 90s style controller that everyone used to play back in the days. Just take a moment and gaze upon it. And here it is. You plug the USB into the side of the Xbox One. Now this is more my style. Go boop, 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 boop. But anyway, folks, hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like, comment below, subscribe to my channel, please, for the love of God. Follow me on Amino on TikTok. And I'll see you next video. Merry Christmas.